I will ask you one final time, and I expect you to not dodge the question this time around. Do you have it or do you not?
No, sir, sorry. The next shipment comes next week. If you just give me one more week, I can definitely get your money back.
And so what about last week? Or the week before that? Let me ask you a question. Do you value your life? Do you value the life of your friends and family? Because the lack of respect that you are showing me right now does not suggest so. You need to understand that I am in control of everything. You cannot run from me, because if you try to, I will find you and I will kill you. Do not disappoint me again. I will be watching. I strongly recommend